India's stainless steel flat imports are collapsing, a sharp 27% drop in just 1 year. Major suppliers like China are losing ground and Indonesia has almost disappeared. But this is not just an import story, this is a structural shift in the stainless steel market. Hello, I am Manya Devangan. Let's understand how India's stainless steel flat imports dropped 27% year on year in FY26. According to Bigmin data, India's stainless steel flat imports are expected to fall to 0.85 million tons in FY26, down from 1.17 million tons in FY25. For a fast-growing market like India, this is not a blip. It's a clear signal. Series-wise trend: 300 series down 27%, 400 series down 2%, 200 series down 13%. Every major segment has declined. Now, let's look at country-wise imports. For years, China has been India's leading supplier. But in FY26, imports from China dropped 60% year on year to just 0.15 million tons. Other major suppliers: Indonesia down 86%, Vietnam down 78%. So, what changed? Since January 2026, China has introduced export licensing for stainless steel. That means more approvals, more paperwork, more delays. And in global trade, uncertainty slows shipments. As a result, Indian buyers began looking for alternatives. Now, Indonesia. Finished stainless steel imports may drop 88% to just 34,000 tons. But here's the twist. Indonesia has not disappeared. It has shifted its role. Instead of finished steel, India is importing more slabs. Slab imports may rise from 0.40 to 0.72 million tons. Why? Because slabs can be processed locally, reducing costs and improving margins. This is not a slowdown, this is value addition shifting to India. And the result, India is producing more. Domestic stainless steel production may reach 4.44 million tons in FY26, up 14% year on year. So, demand is not falling, it's being met within India. That's the real structural shift. One more key factor: the US dollar. A stronger dollar makes imports more expensive, with the dollar around 92 to 93 and the rupee under pressure. Buyers are becoming cautious because even if steel looks cheaper, globally, currency can quickly erode margins. Now, a recent policy move. On 27 April year 2026, India's Ministry of Steel granted a temporary QCO exemption for select stainless steel flat products. This move is aimed at supporting MSMEs facing raw material procurement challenges. The exemption is valid for imports shipped on or before 26 October year 2026, creating a 6-month window. In the short term, this QCO exemption may support more import activity. But don't expect a major surge because the underlying shift is structural. India is importing less finished steel, processing more within the country, and moving toward higher domestic value addition. For more such videos, subscribe to Bigmin channel.